ladies and gentlemen, alumni, friends, and other guests. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And welcome to the 12th Alumni Homecoming of the Reform Pasay Cubao High School. We wish to thank the 2010 Board of Directors for the outstanding preparation to make this event a very memorable one for all of us. Likewise, our application to the following: the Armed Forces Band, courtesy of our Chairman Emeritus, the band of 72, batch of batch 72, and the Gutierrez brothers. They will provide us with good music through the night. Then we give our band a warm welcome applause, please. By the way, I brought Estalia, member of Batch 65. And this is my co-MC, my partner, Lisa Monte, Batch 89. We will be your MPs for tonight. So please hang on, ladies and gentlemen. Just sit back, relax, enjoy, and stay alive.
Yes, and it's with much pride that we stand before you, distinguished alumni and our guests. General, do you know that we have a lot of alliance tonight?
Oh yes, in fact, for Batch 55, we have 65 balikbayan. And I heard Batch 67, they have 67 balikbayan. Meron pa nilang balik advisor. Palakpakan po natin ang 67. Anyway, keeping aside to all balikbayan, we welcome you all. And we are really pleased to have you all around here with us tonight. During the batch call, all balikbayan shall be acknowledged. So yung mga balikbayan na hindi pa nakapag-register, mag-register na kayo para ma-acknowledge kayo mamaya. Lisa, while waiting for other guests to arrive, maybe we can start with our leader. What can you say?
That's good, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, there are two space tables located at the rear portion of our forward board. So